Welcome back on our channel. Hello, and nice to see you again. If you caught the last episode, so we promised an exciting deep dive into AI limitation. Uh, and yes, limitation it's expensive role across various industries. But before we go inside our topic, let's fresh our memory about AI. Let's start from some basic stuff. Let's talk about best models and its benefits, and after that we will go through downsides of Gen AI. So let's start from basic. Gen AI is technology as it can create new content including text, images, audio, video, and code based on a description given by a user, given by you. Early foundation models like ChatGPT focus on the ability of generative AI to augment creative work, but by 2025, we expect more than 30%, up from zero today, of new drugs and materials to be systematically discovered using generative AI techniques. And the second thing that we are also expecting that 30% of data will be created by AI before 2025. So all data, like 30% of all data, will be created by AI. The best models we can use for right now, yeah, you can see on the picture the best models. Let's start from Pictory. This AI model for editing videos. Character GPT is very incredible model for customization, appearance, voice, and personality. Yeah, Picasso produces NFT profile pictures based on description and images provided by users. Midjourney is a generative AI bot that creates image based on text prompts or other pictures. And for sure, ChatGPT, it's AI model which create all kind of texts. So here we can see advantages of generative AI, benefits from using AI models. First of all, yeah, we are thinking about those benefits. The generative AI solutions are able to perform different tasks more faster than humans, since they can run through terabytes of data in their knowledge base in a matter of minutes or even seconds. Yeah, so first thing, we have cost saving. Yeah, what we mentioned before, since some processes can be automated, companies can reduce labor costs and expenses on specific software and hardware. Second one is enhanced decision making. Yeah, collecting and analyzing data about different processes within a specific industry and market can be quite overwhelming and time consuming for human brain, yeah, for us. However, AI models can run through massive amount of data really fast, extracting valuable insights and patterns. Third one is effortless content improvement. Gen AI, a solution can enhance the quality of existing pieces of content. For example, it can add features that would appeal more to the intended audience. And also fast content repurposing. What does it mean? Gen AI makes it very easy to transform your content into other forms. Yeah, a blog article, say, can be turned into a social media post or a video. Yeah, and you can use different formats like put your text into PDF, create presentation via PowerPoint, etc. Or ChatGPT, for example, can give you this format which will be fitted to your PC, yeah, PC or laptop, for example, which will be adaptable for sure. What are the downsides of generative AI? Yeah, here we have the limitation. Yeah, the generative AI benefits certainly encourage its application to various industries and domains. We already discussed how some of the popular models have shown immense potential in transforming those industries. However, utilizing these models for enterprise application does come with several challenges and limitations. Uh, so here we can see on the picture some key challenges and limitation of Gen AI that organization shall need to address for its seamless implementation. So first thing is lack of control over generated outputs. Yeah, while generative AI models are trained on specific data sets and generate original output referring to those data sets, it can be challenging to generate results having specific characteristics. Yeah, we have no control over generated output. Second one is quality and coherence. The quality of the output given out by a generated AI system depends on various inconsistent factors such as amount of data, training algorithm, and the complexity of the model. Yeah, if you will give enough data, okay, you will have the chance to get that quality and coherence output. But we are not on 100% sure. And as a result, if there is a lack of data, yeah, the system is poorly trained or the model is overly complex, the output can be erroneous and nonsensical. So you will get a lot of errors. Your data will be really like nonsense or bullshit, and it's sometimes it's not your fault. Third one, it's limited knowledge. Yeah. Um, so we are thinking that generative AI can be like our God, can solve our problems. Yes, you can solve your task even more faster, but Gen AI solutions can perform any task to a very proficient level. And we should remember that their knowledge is limited by the training set for now. So the output may be incomplete, confusing, or in some cases, completely wrong. We can't even expect that answer, yeah, that we will get such crazy or stupid answer. For example, ChatGPT is only aware of events that occurred until September 2021 and can't update its knowledge base in real time, but right now it can Google in Bing and use Bing, so right now it's a little bit better. Yeah, the force, yeah, is BS. I know how to read it, BS, yeah, but I will try my best to explain to you what does it mean. Yeah, sometimes Gen AI application produce biased output. Yeah, it mostly happens due to an irrelevant or imbalanced training data set, and it leads to wrong and discriminatory results. Such a situation happened to Lens. So, for example, yeah, an image producing tool whose user noticed that the solution over sexualizes women by transforming their body parameters and underrepresents people of color by not being able to capture their facial features correctly. A lot of errors we can meet also using by using Gen AIs and AI models. Models, yes, make mistakes due to factors such as incomplete or outdated training data, not enough data. Google's AI chatbot Bart, yeah, ended up in such a position when users noticed a mistake right in its demo video. So it's crazy. Copyright infringement. Since training data for machine learning models is collected all over the internet, it definitely includes content protected by copyright. This causes frustration among content creators and leads to legal claims against generative AI tools. The most recent example is a collective lawsuit of artists against the Midjourney and Stable Diffusion image generators. And the last one I want to mention, also risk of layoffs. What we can see right now. Many specialists are afraid that generative AI solution will replace them in the workplace, will take their job. Since their performance is faster and not limited by working hours. That's why we can see right now a lot of layoffs. And most of them are caused by AI. So it's true. So from generative AI applications perspective, we can see that Gen AI has come across as revolutionary technology, letting creators, engineers, researchers, copywriters, scientists, and others effectively streamline their workflows. Gen AI's models can generate diverse content across multiple modalities, as I mentioned, like text, image, videos, voices, code, using a wide range of data. So let's talk about those industries wise use cases of generative AI. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the organizational processes of businesses across various industries domains. It can improve these processes by means of diverse use cases, including data and analytics, design and development, content creation and repurposing, predictive maintenance, and risk mitigation. So let's see on our slide. Let's see in brief how these use cases can enhance processes across different industries. So we are starting from e-commerce. The most prevalent generative AI use case in e-commerce is in the form of AI chatbots. From being a virtual shopping assistant to providing customers with personalized information regarding products, offers, and pricing. These AI chatbots can make the lives of both business owners and customers more easier. Furthermore, generative AI can help e-commerce business significantly improve consumer experience by various other means. For instance, utilizing virtual try-ons for clothes and accessories, cosmetics, creating 3D visualizations of products, and optimizing product configuration. It can even analyze historical sales data and market trends to help e-commerce businesses optimize inventory and forecast demand. So it can create a lot of metrics and it can manage a lot of data, so no one can do that instead of Gen AI. Second one, finance. There are numerous use cases of generative AI in finance. With the help of this technology, fintech companies can greatly enhance productivity and mitigate bottlenecks. Some of the key applications wherein generative AI can prove to be useful include fraud detection through pattern identification, portfolio management, but analyzing market data, risk assessment, and generating trade strategies. So generated trade strategies, it's very useful for traders, for those who are trying to sell more cheaper. No, sell more expensive and buy more cheaper. And right now the quality of those strategies would be better. Next one, medical and healthcare. One cannot emphasize enough the importance of Gen AI in healthcare and medicine. For sure, It helps medical professionals make more accurate diagnosis by analyzing medical images. So, in the close future, we will not be needed such guys for making diagnoses, yeah, because AI will make those diagnoses instead of such kind of specialist. Physicians can also use it to identify useful information from large sets of unstructured electronic health records and make effective treatment decisions. They can also utilize it to generate personalized treatment plans based on a patient personal health data like medical history, genetics, and lifestyle. It's more even better than to go to the doctor, which is very old and which is doing like the same strategic like with everyone. He's not analyzing you, he is not thinking, he is not um, focus on your genetic, on your medical history, on your lifestyle. They have he have protocol, for example, yeah, but AI model will treat you. It will create a treat plan based on your personal health data, like history, genetic, and lifestyle. Yeah, it's pretty nice, brilliant. Moreover, generative AI can assist pharmaceutical companies in drug discovery by generating novel compounds and predicting their properties. Next one. Educational and training. We don't have this slide right here. Generative AI in education can effectively streamline the learning process for both in-class students and self-learners. It can facilitate personalized training by creating adaptive learning environments by generating tailored educational content and providing personalized feedback to students. Furthermore, teachers can utilize technology to develop personalized study materials and evaluate and grade the performance of students. So, in the nearest future, teachers and other specialists can be more creative. They don't need to focus on very old materials. They will get more fitable, how to say it, based on feedback of students, based learning and environment. Yeah, this AI is very adaptive, and they will be adapting to those environment they will be at that moment. So the next one, manufacturing. From product design and development to the enhancement of sales and support processes using AI chatbots, generative AI can work wonders for businesses operating in the manufacturing and supply chain domain. The technology can also be utilized to identify devices' usage patterns and specific needs, and there be improved machine maintenance. Business owners can also automate complex manufacturing processes like assembly line optimization and quality control using generative AI tools. Entertainment. Uh, in the entertainment and media industry, yeah, is first of all generating a very fresh content, written music or art or whatever, and Gen AI can make it for you even better than real human. Generative AI can make creating virtual characters with unique traits and behaviors extremely feasible. This can also drastically simplify the process of producing video games and virtual reality experiences. Gen AI models can even assist entertainment businesses boost sales by helping them create more sophisticated content plans and marketing strategies. Oh, yeah. The last thing I want to talk with you, I want to raise up this topic right now is concerns surrounding generative AI. So this video is a little bit about some negative points, yes, some drawbacks, disadvantages maybe. And right now I want to mention the concerns. While generative AI is seemingly moving towards changing the world the world for the better, yeah, it also raises um, a little bit concerns relating to the quality of results, chances of abuse, for example, and disruption of existing business models. So we can talk about one risk of Gen AI is that it has the potential to generate inaccurate and misleading content that can lead to misinformation and disinformation. Yeah, for example, because a lot of people don't even check what they got. And but we need to be aware that that information can be wrong. The next one, without knowing the source and origin of information generated by AI, it becomes more difficult to be able to trust and verify its authenticity. AI generated content can lead to new forms of plagiarism relating to the ownership of the content and disregard for the rights of the original content creator. So in the future it will be more difficult to use, for example, some base models like ChatGPT, yeah, because you will get the same answer all the time, and you can recognize what model wrote it, yeah. So the style of generated text is the same. Generative AI can also potentially disrupt existing business models based on search engine optimization and advertising. Uh, this is one thing. Another thing is that the use of generative AI to generate and spread fake news can lead to significant um, social and political implications. Machine learning approaches such as deepfakes can make it extremely difficult to distinguish generated media from real media, leading to serious ethical implications. Using generative AI to impersonate individuals, it becomes easier to create convincing and effective social engineering attacks. Oh, yeah, I think it's time to wrap up and summarize a little bit. Yeah, generative AI is revolutionizing the way we tackle complex problems, whether it's in generating innovative content, writing codes, or doing some basic stuff, or personalizing experiences. However, the advent of any new powerful technology is accompanied by several concerns surrounding it. As we look to the future of generative AI, it is crucial to navigate these challenges responsibly and ethically, ensuring that the potential of this technology is harnessed for the greater good. Generative AI really is a disruptive technology, and it's already altering the way we produce content across various domains: entertainment, education, marketing, manufacturing, and software engineering. For sure, when implemented and leveraged right, the technology is very beneficial, allowing specialists to switch from mundane, repetitive tasks to creative ones, boosting productivity and engagement. However, there are still challenges to be addressed, such as biased output and ethical concerns. Optimization wishing to leverage generative AI should therefore clearly understand its benefit and limitation, and carefully consider how the technology will enhance their specific business processes. With ongoing advancement and progress in research, the future of generative AI holds even more promise, unlocking new possibilities and transforming the way we live, work, and interact. So that's all for today. Leave your comments, subscribe this channel, and thank you.